This is break number 492. 3 boxes of 2016 Topps Finest. There will be 180 cards, 6 autographs, and some color. So we're going to get one stack out. I'll separate the boxes with a penny sleeve so we know when we're switching. One big stack to start with. Alright, 6 mini boxes out. What's up, Mike, Justin, Josh, Sean, Ryan, Jamie, Tyler? I think that's everybody up. Did we win? Man. Down 13-9 in the bottom of the 6th. And we scored 3. So close to coming back. Tying. I lost by 1. Alright. This is going to take a minute. So I like the unwrapping everything at once. That's how I'm going to do it. So if you need to go to the bathroom or get a drink, now would be a good time. Let's see a super fractor. That would be pretty sweet. It's box 1. So much trash with Topps Finest. So much unwrapping. Let's go with the overhead camera. Easier to see what's going on. What does everybody got to work coming up? Everybody got Monday off for July 4th, Monday and Tuesday? Or do you got to go to work Monday and get off Tuesday? Or maybe you just have to work both days. It's on a holiday. Kind of weird being on a Tuesday. I can never figure out what I want to do on the 4th. There's so many things I want to do. Different groups of people I want to hang out with, but not much time to do it. And our stupid baseball coach scheduled a baseball tournament the weekend before the 4th. And, yeah, that was me. Deal with it, people. Youth baseball time. Alright, still gotta work Monday, huh, Justin? Sounds like a good gig, Jason, but I know it's not. I know that can't be easy. Staying home with the kids. I've done it here and there. I've only had one at a time, really, though. Ken's always off. Always off and running the sports card infinity group. Christian, I don't think I'm going to have another break tonight. I'm trying to get caught up, and I'm crazy worn out. And with it getting late, this break's going to take a while. Probably just this one. I don't know, maybe I'll change my mind. Got a box of 2017 Museum. Let me just pop that up there. That wouldn't be too tough. This one, all these packs. I'm already worn out. I'm going to take a rest after all these packs ripping. What are you coaching, Ryan, on Monday? Sean, we haven't done anything yet. I'm getting all the cards out. We're going to make one stack, and then we're going to continuously go through them. So nothing has been revealed as of yet. Pay's not great, huh? Lewis, did you get shipped? I'd have to look. No, you're going out in the morning, Lewis. I hope you haven't been waiting too long there. I got out a handful yesterday of the people that I thought were waiting the longest. I did as long as I could. Some of the football camp. The rest of them, that's why I'm not going to break anymore tonight. I need to finish up the second half of shipping. Got raped in museum, huh? Oh, you're doing your training, Ryan. Linebackers. Yeah, I can include this list. I got backed up all weekend. Things are going to quiet down soon, but so some of them I needed to go out. I went out this morning. Trying to fit in a few breaks on my free time. It's just lacking lately. That free time. All right, almost there. Few packs left. I usually cut the packs, but Topps Finest and they're Bowman's Best. Just the way they're tightly wrapped. I'm scared of hitting a card in these. Saw some orange up there. The gold. I don't know Topps Finest as well as some of the others. Looks like there's a blue. A few cards down on that stack. Looking for a Rod Carew, huh? Can you strike twice? That was the first time I ever pulled an autograph of his. Was that last night? Who's even good on the Padres? Tony Gwynn? Who's that guy? Hunter Renfroe, I've heard good things about. I don't know. I don't follow it enough to know. Alright. I'm going to stop the conversating and focus on the cards here. I'll peek back in, check in. Good luck, everybody. Hope we can pull something cool. A few cool things will be nice. Let's get some good color. Evan Longoria with the Rays. Phillies, Maikel Franco. Purple, Raul Mondesi for the Royals. Light. That one, 190 out of 250. Top loader pile. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Dellin Betances, Yankees. Prince Fielder, Rangers. Trey Turner, rookie. Nationals. Carlos Correa, Astros. Rookie Henry Owens, Red Sox. Jose Altuve, Astros. Anthony Rizzo, Cubs. Byron Buxton, Twins. Padres franchise finest, Will Myers. Mark McGwire, finest intimidators with the A's. Red Sox. Mookie Betts, Madison Bumgarner, Giants. And Raul Mondesi, base card, Royals. We have a blue Sonny Gray for the A's. 90 out of 150. Troy Tulowitzki, Blue Jays. Max Kepler, Twins. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Franchise finest, Michael Brantley, Indians. And our first hit, sweet. Mark McGwire for the Athletics. We got the finest intimidators insert and the finest intimidators autograph for the Oakland A's. That one is going to go to Justin Jenkins. Nice card. Justin, I have your stack out. I need to check the PM. At one point you said hold. And you got a huge stack coming. It's monstrous. I got to go check and see what you said there. See what your status is on shipping. If you're ready, I'm sitting here. I got it out and ready to package up. Carl Edwards, Cubs, rookie. Mike Trout, Angels, Stephen Piscotty. A rookie, Cardinals. I look at a number on that, Mark McGwire. He was 25 out of 25. Nice number. Sure, Justin, I can do that. You don't have to be sorry. You tell me when to ship. You can accumulate as much as you'd like. Chris Sale, White Sox. That's kind of cool. 13 out of 25. Andrew McCutchen. That was the orange one I saw for the Pirates. That's a nice one going to Luis Soto. Rob Refsnyder, rookie, Yankees. Giancarlo Stanton, Marlins. George Springer, Astros. Red Sox, David Price. Maikel Franco, gold. 41 out of 50 for the Phillies. John Lester, Cubs. Jake Arrieta, Reds. Christian Yelich, Marlins. Buster Posey, Giants. Corey Seager, Dodgers, rookie. Finest Intimidators, Blue Jays, Edwin Encarnacion. And into Edward Encarnacion, base card, Kenta Maeda, Dodgers. A rookie, Mariners, Kyle Seager. Franchise finest, Mike Trout for the Angels. And our second hit, got it signs too often, Hector Oliveira, rookie auto for the Braves. I believe they were traded. Yes, Justin Jenkins going to sweep this first box and grab both autographs. Hector Oliveira sure beats the other one, right? No, it doesn't. That's the answer. All right, the top penny sleeve is here. So this is going to finish out the first box. Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Nolan Arenado, Rockies. Intimidators, Vladimir Guerrero, Expos going to the Nationals. Purple, Maikel Franco for the Phillies. Numbered out of 250. We got two cards on the rainbow of him. That's cool. Who's that? Sean Walsh getting that color. Ichiro, Marlins. Jose Fernandez, Marlins. Resny Castillo, Red Sox. Dodgers, Frankie Montez, rookie. Brandon Phillips, Reds. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. Ryan Howard, Phillies. Ian Kinsler, Tigers. Reds franchise finest, Joey Votto. Aaron Nola, a rookie for the Phillies. That's the finest first rookie. Will Meyer for the Padres, and Ketel Marte, rookie Mariners, finishes out box 1. Yeah, you got another Brave, Justin. It was Hector Oliveira. Or got a Brave. Not a big one. Guy who signs too often. Wow, put that penny sleeve to use. Everything gets sleeved right when I sort. Christian Yelich, Marlins, Buster Posey. Giants franchise finest, Matt Carpenter for the Cardinals. And our next autograph, Cole Calhoun, Angels, another one of those signs too much culprits. This one going to Chad Sayan. I feel like I just sorted that card. It's Cole Calhoun for David James. Alright, I need some more thick top loaders. Edwin Encarnacion again for the Blue Jays. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Finest Intimidators, David Ortiz, Red Sox. Purple, Max Kepler out of 250, rookie for the Twins. And this one, Carl Edwards Jr., rookie Cubs. Mike Trout, Angels. Evan Longoria, Rays. Maikel Franco, Phillies. Colton Wong, Cardinals. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Dellin Betances, Yankees. Prince Fielder, Rangers. Franchise finest, Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Hector Oliveira, finest first, rookie Braves. Henry Owens, rookie Red Sox. Jose Altuve. Astros, Trey Turner, rookie. Nationals, Anthony Rizzo. Cubs, blue, Jose Fernandez, 63 out of 150 for the Marlins. Mookie Betts, Red Sox. Troy Tulowitzki, Blue Jays. Byron Buxton, Twins. Madison Bumgarner, Giants. Salvador Perez, Royals. Intimidators, Yu Darvish for the Rangers. Max Kepler, rookie Twins. Raul Mondesi, rookie Royals. Franchise finest, Marlins. Giancarlo Stanton. And our next autograph is another cool one. This one going to the Seattle Mariners. On-card auto, Edgar Martinez. That autograph belongs to Sean Turtleman Shear. Nice hit, Sean. It's not the Griffey, but pretty cool one. Finest greats, autographed, unnumbered. Rob Refsnyder, rookie Yankees. Giancarlo Stanton, Marlins. Hunter Dozier, Twins. AJ Pollock, Diamondbacks. Franchise finest, Chris Sale, White Sox. Intimidators, Evan Gattis, Astros. Giants, Jason Kipnis. Stephen Piscotty, rookie, Cardinals. Brewers, Ryan Braun. Hunter Dozier, Twins. Numbered out of 250 is purple. Royals, Eric Hosmer. Astros, Dallas Keuchel. Joey Votto, Reds. Mark Melancone, Pirates. Yu Darvish, Rangers. Alright, this is the end of box 2. Andrew Miller, Yankees. Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Greg Bird, rookie, Yankees. Jose Abreu, White Sox. Andrew McCutchen, gold for the Pirates. That one, 15 out of 50. And we have right out the gate. This one? Yeah, 2 sweet Andrew McCutchen cards. 1 out of 25, 1 out of 50. He's got those Pirates. Luis Soto. A couple nice ones. Diamondbacks, Zach Greinke. Pirates, Starling Marte. Matt Carpenter, Cardinals. Noah Syndergaard, Mets. Josh Donaldson, Blue Jays. Matt Holliday, Cardinals. Luis Severino, rookie, Yankees. I put that penny sleeve to use. And box number 3 coming up. Starting off, Pirates, Garrett Cole, finest, franchise finest, Evan Longoria, Rays. Braves, Hector Oliveira, finest first, Carlos Correa, Astros. Chris Sale, White Sox. D. Gordon, Marlins. Craig Kimbrell, Red Sox. And we got an orange, Henry Owens, rookie for the Red Sox, number 2/25. Got the Red Sox, Aaron Lacasse. Mariners, Felix Hernandez, Marlins, Ichiro. Brendan Crawford, Giants. Kenta Maeda, Dodgers. Will Myers with the Padres. Finest Intimidators, Chris Sale, White Sox. Jose Fernandez, Marlins. Robinson Cano, Mariners. Tyson Ross, Padres. Franchise finest, Bryce Harper for the Nationals. And our next hit is Carlos Martinez for the St. Louis Cardinals. On-card autograph will go to Jason Willison. No number on that one. All right, Mets, Jacob deGrom. Peter O'Brien, rookie Diamondbacks. Intimidators, Randy Johnson. Mariners, Eric Hosmer, purple, number 250 with the Royals. Indians, Francisco Lindor. Cole Hamels, Rangers. Carlos Carrasco with the Indians. Mets, Matt Harvey. Ryan Howard, Phillies. Brandon Phillips, Reds. Corey Seager, rookie, Dodgers. George Springer, Astros. David Price, Red Sox. Franchise finest, Jose Altuve for the Astros. Intimidators, Yoenis Cespedes, Mets. Edwin Encarnacion, also, or that one, Blue Jays. Christian Yelich, Marlins. Giants, Buster Posey. George Springer, 63/150, blue for the Astros. Carl Edwards Jr., rookie, Cubs. Mike Trout, Angels. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Evan Longoria, Rays. John Lester, Cubs. Charlie Blackmon, Rockies. Dylan Betances, Yankees. Corey Seager, Kyle Seager, Mariners. Franchise finest. Ryan Howard, Phillies. And our 6th autograph is Luis Severino, rookie autograph for the Yankees. That one going to Team Boom, Jamie Garza. Jamie won't have it. He can't get in a break without pulling a hit. The team he had originally hit, and then the team he traded for hit. Can't go wrong, Jamie. Going to a Yankees fan. All right, finishing out the break here. Tigers, Miguel Cabrera. Phillies, Ryan Howard. Rockies, Nolan Arenado. Rusney Castillo, Red Sox. Yankees, Aroldis Chapman. Will Myers, Padres. Ketel Marte, Mariners. Frankie Montes, Dodgers rookie. Ian Kinsler, Tigers. Ketel Marte, Mariners. John Lester, Cubs. And Jake Arrieta for the Cubs finishes out the break. Tell you what, I haven't been a big fan of Finest because of the 2 autographs. And yes, some of the autographs are weak, but then there's some pretty cool ones too. There's some cool veteran sign. We saw that a little bit with Mark McGwire, Edgar Martinez. But the color is kind of growing on me. I don't know if it's realistic, but I wish there was a little more. I don't know, what did we get? Let's go back and look through. We got a blue. I'm just going to make a stack of these. Let me pull the purple. I pulled an orange. And one of the gold. Another orange. This one off an insert. I didn't realize they did that. That's how much of a noob I am when it comes to finest. Another purple. Piscotti. Intimidators. Blue. Turner. Purple. Intimidators. This one purple. Already sleeved. Gold. Sorry, I was just I was curious what kind of color we got. There's some rookies. Intimidator. There's a blue and a purple. I'll be top loading these when I go to sort them. Royals got two, huh? Royal Mondesi and Eric Hosmer. This stack is stuff. So we got 6 boxes. I think we average about 1.5 purples a box. 5 purple, 3 blue. It's 8 total. 2 gold, 2 orange. We got 12. I guess you get 4 per box. That seems a little low to me. Anyway, I'll put those over with the rest of them. Let's go through these hits real quick. Luis Severino, rookie autograph Yankees. Carlos Martinez, autograph Cardinals. Edgar Martinez, Mariners. Cole Calhoun. Angels, Hector Oliveira, rookie auto. Braves, and Mark McGwire for the Athletics. Alright guys, I'm done for the night. I gotta get, there's a few people that want sorted out. I gotta get them taken care of. And then we got a game tomorrow night. With the tournament going on this weekend, we have an 8 a.m. game and a 10 a.m. game Friday morning for the state tournament. That's a huge tournament. And then we're done the rest of Friday, so I might watch a little bit of baseball, check out opponents. I don't know. We're not playing that good a ball, so I don't really expect us to compete. But hey, you never know. They could get it going. So I might watch some. But I'm planning for some breaks Friday evening. We got some cool product on the way. You guys have a good night. I'll see you soon. Or I will see you later.